everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to recover password in Facebook Lite. Now to do that, open the Facebook Lite application. First thing, you will be at the home page. As we are going to recover the account password, what you need to do over here is tap on forgot password. Tap on it. This will begin the recovery process for your account. So first thing is you provide your account details, that is your phone number, or email or name. You can do this process by three methods. We're gonna go with the email process, so tap on search by email instead. And here you type in the email address. Once that's done, you tap on search. And there's the email address you have, and they will ask you to enter your password, but we do not remember the password, so you need to tap and try another way. They will give you the recovery option. There's send code to another device, send code via email, enter password to login. To recover your account credential, you need to tap on send code via email. Tap that and then tap on continue. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the email address of yours that you have used to create the Facebook Lite account. You go and check out your Gmail. There's the Facebook mail on top. Click open that. Now you need to copy this code from here. Tap on copy and paste it on this text box. Tap on paste, then tap on continue. Now you will be able to provide a brand new password for your account. Type in the password on the text box and then tap on change password, and with that you will be logged in into the account of yours. So this is a way how you can recover the account password. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.